Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another 2019 advent calendar unboxing to show you, and this is a little bit different. It's by Essence, but it's a make it your own calendar. So this is what it looks like. I bought this advent calendar online at Feel Unique. It cost £19.99 and inside contains 24 Essence beauty products plus 24 little bags. So I think for them to create an advent calendar like this is absolutely amazing. It's quite quirky, it's a little bit different, and at £19.99 it's really affordable as well. If you're interested in taking a look at this one, then I'll pop all the information down in my description. So underneath this video, see show more, click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be down there. That's what it looks like. Jam-packed full of items. So besides all the products, we got bags and stickers here, which I'll open up. So I'm assuming if you don't already have your own advent calendar, an empty advent calendar that you use year after year to put these items in, you could actually just leave them in the box and each day the person just lifts up number one, number two. Not as exciting, I don't think, leaving it in the box, but yeah, it's an option, isn't it? So these are the little bags. So you've got some that says Happy Christmas, and you've got some with just patterns on, a black one with patterns on, and then white ones with a different type of pattern as well. Then you got the number stickers, so you're able to secure the bag and pop a sticker on. So I'll go through all the products that you'll get and I'll pop it in the bags as we go along as well. So at the end of the video you'll get to see what they all look like. I won't be swatching any of these products because I'm actually going to give this to my daughter for Christmas. So let's go through them one by one then. So we got a palette here, and this is a Born Awesome, and what's it called? Born Awesome Eye and Face palette. A collection of 7 eyeshadows ranging from Girl Next Door neutrals to highly pigmented and trend shades, plus one highlighter and an orange blush. You decide the look that is going to make you famous. So you got a mirror there, and then those are the shades there. So there you go. So it's in there, and that's a little sticker. Just keeping it down. I think that's such a lovely idea. So that's number one. Number two, we got a tropical hand mousse. Oh my gosh, intensive hand care. We got 50 mils here. I thought it was like a hairspray, like a dry shampoo type spray. But no, it says this foamy hand mousse provides intensive care by hydrating the skin deeply. The formula infused with manna oil and aloe vera moisturises hands and cuticles and leaves a non-greasy feeling. Shake well before use. And there's number two wrapped up. So day number 3, and this is in no particular order, I'm just grabbing an item up as we go along. This is a No Lamp, the gel nail polish, and it's a top coat, ultra long lasting gel shine, and it says lasts 60% better and no lamp is needed. So it's a gel top coat. Ooh, can you see there? The ring light reflects really badly on anything shiny, unfortunately. And there's day number 3 all wrapped up. Day number 4, and it's something I absolutely love. Hold on a minute. Yeah, it's exactly the same one. This is my one, and this is the other one. I absolutely love it. It is such a gorgeous shade. It goes onto your lips really buttery smooth. It's just a nice nude. It is absolutely gorgeous, but it's a Colour Boost Mad About Matte liquid lipstick, and it's in shade 03 Wanna Play. And there's day number 4 wrapped up. Next we've got a luminous matte bronzing powder for lighter skin, and yeah, this is lovely. This is 01 Sunshine. Can you see there? There, you can see better there. That is really nice actually. Really nice shade, and she has got really pale skin. White. Really white. So yeah, it says the luminous matte bronzing powder contains light reflecting pigments for a fresh, naturally tanned complexion. Easy to blend texture with a soft matte finish on the skin. If any of you lot have tried any of the products that I'm showing you, please let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. So yeah, so I sort of have an idea of what they all like. But yeah, let's pop that in a bag. Day number 5. Right, day number 6, we got something that says, oh, and I can lift it off, Anti-Shine. It's all about matte T-Zone Primer Stick. So it looks like there. So got any information here. The T-Zone stick mattifies shiny skin areas and visibly minimises pores. Apply under or over the makeup on forehead, nose and chin. This is that. Day number 6 all wrapped up. I thought it was the same one as what we had before, but no, this is the base coat. Gel nail polish, ultra long lasting gel shine, and no lamp needed. So it's a base coat. Popped into a black bag. There's a few polishes in there. So the first one is a gel nail polish. So we've got a gel nail polish, we've got a base coat and a top coat. And this colour's gorgeous. It's like a dark red, like mulberry sort of colour. That's gorgeous, that's really pretty. It just says long lasting nail polish, and that is it. Day number 8. Got another palette, Make Your Own Magic. And this is a eyeshadow palette, Dreams Are My Reality, and it says, you are made of stardust, wishes and magical things. Create a spell and make your own magic. 10 matching magical colours range from matte to metallic that can be combined in every way. The soft and long-lasting textures provide rich pigmentation combined with an incredibly lightweight feel on your eyelids. Yeah, as you can see there. Number 9. Then we got, what are these? Get your glitter on. There's 3 sheets of tattoos and it just says tattoo you. Okay, I'll show you the back now. And it gives you an idea there. Temporary body tattoos, and it just tells you how to apply them. All wrapped up. Next we got something really cute. It's got a sheep on it. What is this? It's all wrapped up so I can't see it properly. Oh, it's a lip balm. I love the colour. The colour is really pretty. What is it? Barely Kissed. And yeah, it just says it's a lip balm. Not sure how much you'll be able to see there. Hopefully you'll be able to see the actual shade. That's lovely, isn't it? So number 11 all wrapped up. I know this is marketed for like younger ladies or teenagers, but there are some items here that I would love myself. I've got quite a few of their lipsticks and I do really rate them. I do really like them. I haven't tried anything else really, not that I know of, but yeah, no, there's some really lovely things here so far. Next we've got another palette, and this is Go for the Glow, and it's a highlighter palette. Oh my word. Oh my word, look, you got a mirror. But look at those shades. Well, that one in particular, green. Green. These two are pretty. Those are really pretty, but not too sure on the green. No, not too sure. Highlight your face with these cool cosmic tones. 3 exciting pastel shades achieve an icy holographic effect. So I suppose you just brush them back and forth like that, so you have like a swirl of colour on your cheeks. I don't know. But anyway, let's wrap that up. I'm doing this all like back to front. Normally I'm like, right, indoor one, and then I open it up and show you. But no, I'm showing you the products and then popping them back in the packaging to open up Christmas time. So that's day number 12. Next we've got some Bad Girl nail stickers, and yeah, they're really cute. They're really cute. They're just 2 self-adhesive nail stickers for creating nail styling. So they look like there. Day number 13. Next we've got a glitter primer. Get your glitter on. Oh my gosh. It says glitter primer, easy to use transparent primer with sheer butter to keep loose glitters and pigments in place. Smooth a small amount of the primer onto your skin before applying glitters or pigments on top. Oh, how handy. I'd love that myself. I'd love that myself, especially with Christmas coming up. All wrapped up. Day number 14. We got another palette, and this is a strobing and contouring palette, and it says on the back, contains creamy texture in dark and light shades for a professional definition of your face, like a makeup artist. And then it goes on to telling you tips on how to apply it. There you go, wrapped up. Number 15. We got little stars. I can't even read it. It just says loose glitters, but they're all little stars. And Star Child. So they're all little individual glitter stars. That's really pretty. They are quite big though. Or are they all different sizes? Yeah, there's lots and lots of different sizes in there. But yeah, I'd be more inclined to just use the little tiny ones, maybe just on like a corner of an eye look or something like that. I know, that's cute. All wrapped up. Number 16. Next we've got another nail polish, and it's another gel polish, and this is in shade, doesn't want to tell me, what are we? Sweet as Candy. So a really pale pink nail polish. There you go. Got another other lipsticks that I absolutely love, and this is shade 02 Nude is the New Cute, and it's a colour boost, Vinylicious, and this is a liquid lipstick. So the other one was matte, so this one is vinyl. It's a gorgeous colour. Really pretty. That's day number 18. There's lots of nail varnishes and lipsticks in this box, so if you love the both of them, then this box is definitely for you. We've got another gel polish, and this is in shade Cozy Rosy, like a lovely pinky rose tone. That's really nice. Wrapped up, number 19. Got another one of those lipsticks. So there's 3 in all, I think. 3 in total. And this is Woody Rose 04. And it's another Vinylicious one. So slightly darker. There you go. Got another nail polish, and this is glitter on glitter off. So peel off nail polish, and this is in Razzle Dazzle, and it's gorgeous, sort of rose gold, gold and silver, sort of glitter flecks in there. That was beautiful. You can see there maybe. That is really pretty. I like that. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know why I'm showing you them, because after I've done the first 1 or 2, you know the drill now, don't you? But yeah. I might as well, I've got 3 left now, so this number 21 wrapped up. Next we got a loose glitter, so this is Get Your Glitter On, and this is in Holy White Out, and it's very, very fine sparkly white glitter. If I turn to the side there, you might be able to see. Ooh. There. And wrapped up. Number 22. Number 23, we've got a Kiss the Mermaid lipstick. It's colour changing, and this is Become Mermizing. Magically pink lips with only one mermaid's kiss. Colour changing lipstick that immediately turns from blue to pink on the lips, and it stains the lip skin. Oh. So it looks like there. Let's open it up. Oh my word, look at that colour. Wow. I'm not going to try it. That is really cool. If it works, I don't want to have blue lips. Just look like I'm not really alive. And last one now. Got a lip pencil, and this is Soft Contouring Lip Liner in Nude Painting. Looks like there. And that's the last one. So that's what they look like. They're little bags with the stickers on, as you already know. And yeah, I think they just look really cool. Just do it yourself, simple, easy. You might have an old advent calendar that you could use, or you can put them in one by one. I'm not sure if they'll fit actually. I was just going to think you can squeeze them in there. But no, especially as it says, make your own advent calendar. No, ignore that, it just doesn't work. But yeah, for £19.99, we got 24 Essence products. They're all full size, lots of nail varnishes, lots of lipsticks, but then there's palettes, eyeshadows, glitters, I can't think now. I think there's a really lovely mix. You've got some tattoos as well, nail art, so a really, really lovely mix. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this advent calendar? Are you here watching it because it's like advent calendar that takes your fancy, or is it because you think, oh, it'd make a nice gift for someone, or to make an advent calendar for someone close to you? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.